Y'all ready for this look? Yeah, we're gonna break it down. Here we go. So we're starting off with the base, super beautiful. All right, we got the colors, got the pen, brushes, got the brushes, and now we're starting at the very beginning, which is the diamond in the forehead, right in the center. Gotta let the third eye shine. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're putting in a little extra layers, getting a little more definition, bringing in the bright colors out. Yeah, 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 being fierce. Bring the fierce. Yeah. All right, we're going back in. More definition, more color, more shades. All right. Now it's starting to come together. Starting to see the star. Starting to see the flame, fire. All right, yeah. Okay. Now we've got the pure shine going right between the eyes, coming out at you. All right, more definition, more color, more shades. You know how this game goes. All right, got the sprinkle sparkle out in the center. All right, eye time. That's right. We got the full web action happening. Okay. The sparkles don't come from nowhere. They come from somewhere. Where do they come from? You tell me. All right. Now, we got to keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. We're going to bring in the color, bring in the shades. We got the base down. There we go. There we go. Gonna bring in a little extra yellow, extra brightness with the smiles and the pearly whites. Okay. Going for the lips. Lip time. All right, bottom lip. Get that definition. Fierce. That's right. All right. Top lip. Here we go. All right. Same thing. We know the game. We know the spiel. We're getting it going. Boom. Bada bang. Bada bing with the little bit on the nose. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes makeup doesn't like to keep itself together. Okay. All right. More color. More shades. You know how it goes. Nothing is done until it is done. And this ain't done. We're going. We're bringing the color. We're bringing definition. We're bringing the sharpness. If you don't recognize the game already, maybe you should pay a little closer attention. All right. Here we go. Shining bright underneath the eye. That's right. Got the right eye, right eye, right eye. Boom. Got the smoke floating up. Yeah, it's a bright yellow. Bring it top of the right, top of the right, top of the right. Bang. Top of the left. And even it out. Smooth in, fill out. Bam. Yeah. Okay. That's right. We're bringing the brush. Bringing the brush. Bringing the blush. Bringing the tip of the nose. Bam. Bada boom. Bada bing. That is right. All right. All right. Yeah, that's right. Bring the color. Smooth it out. That's right. Bring the fire and the flame. All right, what colors are we going to bring now? More yellow, more fire, more flame, more solar plexus chakra color. Coming at you. Top of the eye, top of the eye. We're filling it out. We're bringing it together. We're bringing the cohesion. All right, all right, all right. Definition, color, blend, blend, blend. There we go. There we go. Yeah, you're looking good. All right. More lip. We going for the lip. Tip of the lip. Tip of the tongue and the top of the lips. All right. Now we're going more. That's right. We're bringing the shimmer glimmer to the top of the eye. This ain't no, muted paint color. This is shimmery, shiny gold. Bang. Boom. Bring the shine. That's right. Here we go. Bring in the orange. Bring in the shine. Bring in the glittery gold. And that is how it is done. Okay. You got to symmetricize. Going for the other side. Boom. Bada bang. Bada bing. Bada boom. All right. Bring in the star child fire. All right. Ooh, looking fierce. That's right. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. You know the game. It's called definition, color, define, color. Okay. Go in, go in, go in again. Bang. Tasty tuna cracker. We know. That's right. Okay. We doing it. It's done. It's looking good. Boom, 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 boom. Finished product. Fierce as hell. The spirits agree. You can see the orbs floating around. Agreeing with it. And you gotta do the jig. Do the little dance. Yeah. And that's a wrap.